So welcome. We are ready to start web design. Congratulations. You've completed Code Academy, HTML and CSS, and now you're ready to do web design. So let's start. So you need this right here. This is called brackets. This is what we are going to use as a open source editor. It's a text editor for HTML, CSS, with JavaScript in here and everything. Now, if you do not have brackets installed, you will click download brackets. That's only if you don't see this icon on your computer or if you're installing it at home. You will click download. After you have clicked on download, you'll go into your downloads and it's right here. And you're going to open up brackets and you will see typical in here. You'll click typical and you'll install it and that'll be it. All right, so that's that. All right, so we're done with that. We have brackets now. Let's just say we have brackets. It's good. You're in here. You're ready to start website design. You open this up, okay? Now that this is opened, we are going to start building websites, all right? So with that said, the reason it didn't say typical is because I installed brackets already. So let's start. We're going to put this over here, and on this page right here, you are going to scroll down. And these are the tutorials that you're going to need. It's 1 through 14 as of right now. And you are going to go to the first one right here. You're going to click on download default website. Now, while you're here, every single website that you guys are going to build, this is your first one, this one's your second one, this will be your third one, this is your fourth one, and this is the fifth one. In the fifth one, we're going to rebuild Nike, or I let you do a product choice, any one of your choice. All right, these are examples of students' work, okay? These are other examples of students' work. More examples on here, student examples, and this is the first one you're going to build. So you're going to click download default website, and it's going to download a zip file, okay? While that is downloading, I'll let you, you can go and click on this and you can look at examples of other people's work. These are examples of what other people have done for the default website, okay? You can click these. It goes to little thumbnails of their work. Really beautiful work here as you go up to the top. This is all student work, by the way. All of the students did this. Go to About, Services, the portfolio. A resume will be put onto here with a cover letter and a contact page. This is the first website that you guys are going to build, okay? Now, with that being said, you can X out of this, and these are other examples of other people's work. When you click on it, it shows you guys other people's work, what other people have done, okay? So all of these, mind you, when you go into the next website, you're going to make a restaurant menu based on your culture. So when you click on this, yes, this is students' work. This is not a real website that is a real restaurant. This is student work that my students have made. When you click on this, it opens up to examples. And when you click this, it goes to other places. This is all work that my students have done in high school. And when you click on this, they have done examples of the, like what a real recipe or what would be ingredients inside of a restaurant menu based on culture, okay? So we X out of this, and it's got other examples of other people's work. And listen, I have a wealth of different cultures inside of these websites. So these are the restaurant menus. After the restaurant menu one, you're going to have you're going to do an artist or a musician. These, when you click on these examples, these are other examples of other people's work that they have done. This one's for Selena Gomez. You click over, it shows more of her stuff. This is about Selena Gomez, okay? And this is all work done by a student as if they were her publicist. And you can choose any artist or a musician that you guys want, and you're going to be able to write about them or make a website based on them. That is the Flipper one. This one is a travel agency based on, of course, student culture. When you click it, it does show examples of student work. This one's Mexicopedia, kind of like Travelocity, or Wikipedia, but it tells you about Mexico. And yeah, it's also a one-pager, and it goes to it. The other ones are multi-pagers, okay? Now listen, there's multi-pagers, and then there are full-pagers. The last one you're going to do is you're going to redo the Nike website. Now, this, of course, yes, is students' work, and this is not Nike. This is a student who redid Nike in my class, went to Nike, you know, made women and men's shoes. So when you click on it, it goes to the shoes that are related to women's shoes, and these are all women's shoe selection. Really beautiful stuff. Okay. Again, the next one, someone wanted me to be flexible, which I am sometimes. So this student wanted to redo Prada. So I let this student redo Prada, and it's right here. This is Prada, and yes, you can embed videos inside your website. So for summer, she did summer of 2023. She made bags and stuff like that. And this is all examples of different clothing and apparel for Prada. Okay, so that's other examples of work. Main one you're going to do is this one right here. All right. Now, there is a content submission form only for this one. All right. When you click on this, it gives you an example of what should be on each page. All right. So if you're not sure about it, you can read this. It tells you what goes on page 1, the home page, the about section, the services section, blog, and the slider. All of that. I'll keep this closed for now. I clicked on download the website theme. This allows you to download it. So you're going to click on download default website. After you've done that, you're going to go on this folder right here, and you're going to go to downloads. You're going to see it's going to say the day that it was. It'll say default website theme. Open this up, and here's the theme. Now here's how you do this. You're going to go to your desktop. You are going to take this theme and you're going to put it right on your desktop, just like this. All right. Now, while that is on your desktop, you're going to right click, go to new folder. Same way you made a folder for graphic design, you're making website design. Website design themes. Website design themes, take the default website theme and you're going to drag it into the web design themes. Now, web design themes, keep it to the side. Open up the web design themes now. You're going to copy this. After you've copied it, you're going to paste it to your desktop because this is the current theme you're working on. Now, I want to explain something. This one never ever gets touched again. And what you're going to do is you're going to back this up, this folder, up onto your thumb drive. And this will be outside of your thumb drive. So these two things will be put on your thumb drive later. All right, let me explain why. When I open up brackets, I'm going to drop and drag default theme into brackets. You're going to see the index.html, which is the main web page. You're going to be able to click on this lightning bolt, hit OK, and boom. This is what your website is going to start out as. This is the theme. It's got an about section. It's got services section, just like you saw. It's got a solid team, and it's got other posts and other contact information, yada, 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 right? So when we take this over here and we're going to look at it, you're going to look at the other students' work right over here. These are examples of other people who actually did this theme. You'll notice it is the same exact theme. She went into the CSS. She changed the color scheme in here. She has examples of the portfolio. I will be showing you exactly how to do all of the sections of this website. Please don't be overwhelmed. So the main thing right now is you're going to click on here. You're going to go to index, and you're going to be able to see exactly what your website looks like right here. So here it is. This is the theme. Untouched, uncharted. Okay? First order of business. Now that we have this set up, here's the first thing you do. Just download the theme inside here. You've downloaded it. You've opened this up. You've dragged this to your desktop. After this is dragged to your desktop, you made the web design themes folder. You have placed this item into that folder. You've copied this and you have placed it right here on your desktop. Now you are ready to start designing this theme. Okay? Now, while this theme is open, again, it'll be in here. You have the index.html. Here's how you preview it. And then you are now ready to start editing websites. Okay? This is your first website. This is the very beginning stages of setting up your website. Okay? So now we have the default theme. We have the website template folder. You are all set on starting website design. First things first, you're going to back up both of these files on your thumb drive. If you don't remember how to use a thumb drive, well, go to the home page
and I have Save to USB right here. When you click this, it is a tutorial that takes you to how to use a thumb drive and everything.
How does this weird tiny device help with dust and airborne pollutants? Studies show that air pollution...
Sorry.
All right, a lot of you, and it's a requirement, need to back up your files on...
We are not watching this whole entire thing because you have seen it already. So that's how to back up your thumb drive, and these are the two files that you will be backing up on your thumb drive, is these two. That is how you begin web design. Okay. Now we're going to start in the next video designing the website, the first one. Good luck. Thank you.